Hey guys! What's up? It's your girl Miss Maya
and Rosa.
So today we decided to do something Easter themed since it is Easter tomorrow. And since we had so much fun doing our little Valentine's Day video, then we decided to, decorate something food-wise for Easter.
So we're going to be making these as like the Easter bunny and then the eggs. So this little loaf here is going to be the Easter bunny. You know, bunnies kind of look like loaves when they
when they sit.
Look like loaves. So anyways, we're going to decorate this one to look like the Easter bunny. And then the little ones to look like the eggs that the Easter bunny has.
Alright, so let's get into this video. Okay, so I will be showing everything that we have to decorate the cupcakes to make them look like eggs. So first of all, we have some like pink sprinkles, red sprinkles, blue sprinkles, yellow sprinkles, light pink nonpareils, multicolored, and we also have white buttercream frosting and green buttercream frosting that we piped into bags with a 3-5-2 tip, which is in like a leaf shape, and a 1M tip. But this tip doesn't really matter because we're not gonna actually make anything into that shape. It's just going to be like, we're gonna smooth it out so it makes it look like
just the regular round tip that they have.
Yeah, that'll do. We didn't have that, so we use this instead.
So we got our cupcakes. So we're gonna decorate these and show how we decorate them.
So you're just gonna pipe a bit of frosting onto your cupcake, and then with a offset spatula, you're going to smooth it out into an egg shape.
Decorate it any way you want on top. You can dip it in sprinkles. Use your green frosting and put it on the side all around the egg to make it look like grass.
Push down, apply pressure, and pull up.
Decorate the top with some more different colored frosting or icing.
So these are my eggs. I, did my thing with them.
These are mine.
That's cute. So here are all the eggs. They're all done. We decorated all of them, and they are placed in their little grass spots. And now it is time to decorate the bunny.
The Easter bunny.
Main Easter bunny.
So here's our grass, and it's just angel flake coconut with a green dye. So now we're just gonna decorate the bunny with the remaining frosting that we have, and then
we're just gonna smooth the ice.
Smooth it all out so it's smooth. So now I completely frosted the bunny, and now we're just gonna put regular coconut that isn't dyed.
That doesn't die.
Now we're just going to put the plain coconut on the bunny.
So he looks like a fuzzy bunny.
So now we completely covered our Easter bunny with the coconut shavings, and now we're just going to make little tiny eyes and a fluffy tail, of course.
And some ears.
And the ears. So for the ears of the bunny, we just melted some of those candy melts, and then we put them into a decorating bag, whatever you want to call it, and squeezed it out into the shape of bunny ears. And then we're going to stick it into the bunny. So that's what we're going to be doing for the tail as well. Same thing, melted the candy melts, and then squeezed it into a little bunny's tail.
Snowflake shape.
Well, like snowflake, a snowflake shape. Anything to make it look like a bunny's tail. We finally have everything ready to complete our little bunny.
Our Easter bunny.
Yeah. So we have the little fluffy tail. Well, it's not fluffy. But we have the tail, so just gonna put that right in the back, of course. And then the ears. Have the little tiny nose, which is of course the candy melt thing that we put pink sprinkles on so that Looks like a nose. So for the eyes, we're just going to use, you could use like black icing or whatever, or chocolate chips. So we're gonna use those, and then for the whiskers, since we're creative, we're gonna use noodles.
Rice noodles.
Rice noodles,
Because we
these
have
flat
nothing
ones.
else to use. I literally could not find anything else to make with to make whiskers with. So we're gonna use rice noodles.
We're gonna use
Because
rice
heck yeah, why not?
Aww. Bunny.
And I'm gonna eat this last one.
Now you'll stick them in that soul. Just put a hole in your mouth with her, Allie.
I'm gonna eat one. I feel like I'm eating plastic. Okay guys, so that is the end of our video. We're done with everything. We made our little eggs and the Easter bunny, so he is ready to go tomorrow. He is ready to start hiding with these guys.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully you do some of these because of course they were fun and they look cute.
It was
I like
really cute to do.
I like my smile.
Your little smiley name. He's like, I'm better than y'all. We hope you guys have a very fun Easter, and like you said, hopefully you will do these on Easter or today maybe after watching this. If you want us to do more decorating and baking stuff like this, leave a comment. If you liked what we did today, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like us overall, make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss one of our videos. Alright, we'll see you guys next week. Bye. Okay. Here comes that stepper,
I'm a dancer. No, like.
You sound like a sassy. And then freestyle.
Okay,
I don't know, why did
Get away from me.
why did the store carry it that day? See, questions over questions.
Jerky movements, Mice. Jerky movements. Have you noticed that you do that?
No, I was saying then you can't get down to the edges because you'll get it in the coconut. Place them back on the grass. How you gonna do that, genius, huh? Without wrapping them up, huh?
Move.